Good day everyone, I am Marvin B. Manzano, and today we will be discussing about the expansion of the universe. It all starts when the Greeks sees the universe that contains the Earth at the center, the Sun, the Moon, the five planets, and the sphere wherein all the stars were attached. This theory or belief lasted for years, not until Galileo's telescope helps the people to recognize that the Earth is not the center of our universe. They also find out that there are more stars visible on our naked eye that can be found in the Milky Way galaxy. Lastly, Hubble showed that the universe was much larger than our galaxy, and universe contains about 100 of other galaxies, about the same number of stars in our Milky Way. Now, let's talk about the redshift. The redshift states that when an object moves away from us, it would be more likely appear to be red. Redshift can occur on other types of waves too. Think of a noise coming from the sound of the ambulance. The farther the ambulance moves away from us, the lower the sound we can hear. This phenomenon is called Doppler effect. Lastly, let's talk about the expanding universe. Think of our universe as a balloon, and the more you inflate the balloon, the more the dots or the particle of balloon will stretch out and continues to expand. Just like our universe that is not stopping to expand and become more bigger as it moves away from us. That's all. Thank you for listening.